Hi guys, my name is Jay Wadnow. I own Inked In Graphics in Columbus, Kansas. Today I'm going to go over how to refill your toner cartridges for your Ricoh PC301 printer or your white Undertone printer. I hope this video helps you guys out. So, what we're going to look for now to get started is the chip. You want to go to the opposite side of it and unscrew the two screws that are there. This was a little tricky. This was my first one, so bear with me here. Had to take some pliers to get the plug out. When I first started this, I initially thought we were going to have to burn a hole with a soldering iron, then I learned that plug was there. And we're doing the cyan. Found these bottles on eBay. They were pretty cheap. We put 360 grams of the cyan toner in there. Takes a little bit of time to get it out. And I kept shaking just to make sure it's all getting down in there. Of course, I made a little bit of a mess. I just took a paintbrush and kind of brushed it away. These are the toner cloths you can get. Didn't really clean up as much as I thought it would, but you spin it back over, and there's a metal bar on the bottom. Once that's aligned, it just snaps down. Put the screws back in. And now for the chip. Just took a weeding tool and got underneath it and popped it up, and there's two little plastic pieces on both sides. You'll see here in a second where I pretty much just broke them. Now there are chips made for each color. You see the C on there for the cyan. You'll see here I'm breaking off just a little bit of the plastic that was holding it on, so it'll just fit in there smoothly. Take a soldering gun, kind of melt the plastic back over. That's pretty much it. You'll see here, testing it out. I cleaned it up a little bit better before I put it in here, by the way. And there you go, full cyan. We printed one of our images that we had just was mainly blue. I will test the colors with our spectrometer once I get to it. I'm pretty busy, so it's going to be a couple days, and I'll have a follow-up video of it. Guys, that's it on refilling the cartridges. We're actually going to sell kits for each one. The link's going to be below. You can take you to our website where you can purchase the chip and the toner you're needing, and of course you know now how to do it. You can also take the information I've provided in the video, find your own chips and the toner, and refill them yourself as well. I will give you the heads up, we ordered about 5,000 of these chips back in February of this year, and we just got them in last week. This, of course, is a new channel for us at Inked In Graphics. Be sure to like, subscribe. We're going to have a lot of information and a lot of videos on the white Undertone printing, and a ton on screen printing, and even some vinyl work and some other printing techniques we use. Have a good day.